Choices. Choices are very important in our daily life because when you make choice, you make your life. That's why you gotta be careful while making your choice because when you make your choice, you're gonna make your life. Today, we're gonna talk about the choice. Let's get started. Make good choice and practice them. The benefits of choice. You have freedom, you have the ability to make your life better, you have the possibility to reach your potential, you can change the direction of your life. Value the choice as a gift. Life begins with no choice. In some areas of our lives, we have no choice. You don't choose when you are born or when you are born. You don't choose your parents. You don't choose your race, your personality type, or your genetic makeup. You must live with the conditions you find yourself in. But the longer you live, the more your life is built upon you and shaped by the choices you make. Since life begins with no choices, life doesn't begin. Inquiry for all people. What happens if others are ahead of you in the beginning of life? How will you catch up? The next section will answer those questions. This is a season of choices. I recommend you to follow us and subscribe to get more details about the choice. Be cautious while making choices because when you make choice, you make your life. Catch you in the next video. Love you.